Nail kit stamper. It came out. It was sealed right. No damages, as you can tell. I liked it a lot. If I had to see it at the store, it came in these bags. The small one, it's in there. Came with its own lid. I like that. When you're done with it, you can just clean it and top it back up, and you won't have any kind of debris to get on it. Okay, with two for each, one for the long one and one for the small one. I mean, it's just extra if you really think about it. It came with the long one as well. Came with the lid as well. Very nice. I liked it a lot. The texture to it, when you feel it, it's soft and it's so squishy. I think it'll do the job of sticking nail polish to your fingers once you do it. Same thing with this. So I'm gonna try with a dark blue. I have stampers already that I had gotten, that it was given to me. It was a present, so I'm just gonna pick one. As you can tell, nope. Okay, I'm just grab a blue. It's just OPI color, or color is, excuse me, I saw. That's the name of the nail polish. I'm gonna use the long one. This is just to see if it works. Nothing. Not really nails right now. Actually, just filed them down, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a scraper. Comes out pretty nice. So then I'm going to I think I scraped it a little too much. Try a different one. It's on there. And the design stick, if you can see, there you go. That's the design that I picked for it. Some butterflies. I think it's a butterfly. Can't really tell. Not sure what it is. Just so that you can see. Picks up pretty well. And this one, you can definitely, the flowers. I didn't really measure it to where it'll go on my finger, so I mean, but I believe that it came out pretty well. So far, overall, I like it. And once it presses onto your nails, it comes out pretty blotch, like I did on my thing. But super nice. I recommend it. If you want a stamper that it's nice and easy to use, simple, this is it. Again, that's the brand. Awesome.